Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Mandy and today we have a special unboxing of the Glowy press-on nail sets. The Glowy team have kindly gifted us a few goodies in here for us to unbox, review and try on together. Before we start, can I please ask that if you're new here to please hit the subscribe button and ring the bell, because that is the only way to be updated and notified of all upcoming beauty and fashion unboxings. Today we talk about press-on nails with Glowy. This is a female Asian Australian owned business which we love, and it was actually born out of Sydney lockdown. When the owner tried horrible press-on nails that were available at the time, she decided to start her own and make quality and designer press-ons, and thus Glowy was born. Their sets range from $39.90 to $44.90 Australian dollars, but they are currently having a Black Friday sale, so it is currently on sale. If you want to check it out, I will also leave a link below, so don't miss out. So for the first time ever, we have clear nails so that I can try these out. I don't know if you noticed, but every advent calendar unboxing that I've done has had different nail designs, and that is because I got really hooked onto press-on nails. Prior to that, I was actually doing my nails in the salon every 3 weeks or so, updating the design, but it was getting quite pricey. I was finding myself spending $200+ each time, and it just wasn't sustainable given how many times I needed to have my nails changed for filming. Now, I thought this was actually such a good solution to all my problems, and I was first introduced to Glowy during a PR day when they were having a nail activation. And I tried those on and immediately felt a difference in the quality of the nails and the thickness of the nails. All right, let's get started and see what's in the box. We have 3 sets inside: some nail glue, a brush on nail glue, and some alcohol wipes. So 2 of these designs are limited edition and one is from their classic core range. I also have another one with me, and this is one from their core classic range. I actually tried this the first time from their nail activation day, and immediately after trying this, I totally fell in love with the quality of the nails. Today we will also try another one from their core classic range. The first set is a classic from their core range. This one is called Eye Candy. This is a very elegant design with the nude base and the accent white swirls. These are also vegan and cruelty free, which we love. There is a total of 30 nails inside, which really helps you get the right size to fit your nails. And yes, you can also use the ones on the front display. Inside there is also some nail glue, a wooden cuticle stick, some alcohol wipes, some double-sided sticky tabs, and of course your mini Glowy filer. So let's go through the process together. First, you want to grab the wooden stick to push your cuticles back if you haven't already done so. Using this wooden stick, use the flat side to push gently onto the cuticles. After you do this, you want to file and buff your nail down using the mini Glowy filer. After that, you want to wipe down your nails using the alcohol wipes to ensure any oils or dirt is removed from your nails. This helps the nails stick. There's a variety of sizes, so you want to pick one that's closest to your natural nail size. Before sticking them on, I try to also match the nails I want to use to all 10 nails and line them up in preparation. So now you're ready. They say the glue will last you a few weeks and the sticky tabs will last you 1 to 4 days. I personally prefer the sticky tabs because they last a good while for me. Definitely more than 4 days, and are pretty secure. So this is the one we're going to use today as well. Once you're ready, peel the sticky tabs and stick on your nails. Peel the other side of the sticky tabs and press the nails on one at a time. And there we have it. How easy was that? What do you guys think? So obviously we can't try these ones on today because I just put the new ones on, but we are going to check out the cool designs of their limited edition 2 here. So our first limited edition is called Spring Fling, and this one is probably my favorite. It's got that really vibrant swirls. I love how fun it is, perfect for summer. It's very, very colorful. So inside you've also got your sticky tabs, the Glowy nail filer, and also the wooden stick. Now it is a smaller box, so they have separated out the glue and the alcohol wipes outside. Our second limited edition is called the Matcha Latte. Now this one is also super classy. It's got the same swirl effect, but it is in that matcha green color. Similar to Spring Fling, we also have inside the sticky tabs, the cuticle stick, and also the Glowy filer. Once again, the nail glue and the alcohol wipes are separated. So these are the Glowy nail sets. Which one is your favorite out of the 4? Let me know in the comments below. I really love all of them because they are so quality and thick. You can just tell the difference compared to something like from Kmart or Priceline. They definitely have a different quality. My favorite out of all 4 is the Spring Fling, clearly because it's full of color. It's just so fun and perfect for summer. Don't forget that they also have a Black Friday sale on right now. It's 25% off site-wide. So make sure you get on that before it's too late. As always, thank you so much for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this unboxing, try on and review as much as I did. I will see you in the next video. Bye!